that shows, you know, how new this all is to me in a blowout. I have to admit, I started using baitcasters more because I got so tired of this with the spin rods. It just drives me insane. And last night I made sure to redo everything and clear my line and all that stuff, and still we have blowouts. By clearing line, I mean I just like pull off a bunch. And maybe it's because I don't have enough line on, but this is just destroyed now. If I can just find the end of it, my gosh. Like I'm making it worse. Good Lord, there it is. There we go.